So I decided to go out this weekend and clean stuff up. Goal? Clean up my power loops. Tighten them up so I'm closer to the trees. That wasn't bad.
Nope.
I'm also trying to zip over obstacles. The problem is you have to do a parabolic curve for it to look clean and smooth. Otherwise, looping to the moon and diving straight back down like this is garbage for reasons that become obvious.
You have a toy body. Yes. I see that from your toy pants. Yes, you are toyed like a tiger.
Nope.
I've eyeballed this gazebo thing, pavilion, whatever you want to call it, and I've decided, hey, I gotta power loop this as tight as I can to remove as much air from the obstacle as possible.
Toyed like a tiger.
Nope. 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 Nope.
It was at this point that it dawned on me that the camera angle might actually be my problem. So, I correct.
Nope.
Thanks for coming by to check out me practicing some power loops. Hopefully you saw how the process works for learning tricks and cleaning up tricks.